So today let me show you how to split bills using Revolut. Whether you're trying to request payments for the dinner that you had last night or for groceries that you bought, you can easily split those bills among your friends. So what you need to do is first of all head over to the transaction section inside of Revolut. Now once you're inside of the transaction section, you're going to see all of the transactions that you made inside of your Revolut account. What you need to do is just tap on the transaction that you're trying to split the bill of. Once you tap on the transaction, you'll get the option of adding in people by using the email address or the phone number that is linked with their Revolut account. This way, those people will be immediately added to the split bill list. Now, there are a few ways that you can split the bill by either using the amount, the percentage, or the share. If you choose the amount, you can customize the amount. By default, it will be equally distributed, but if you want, you can just unselect it and then type in the exact amount that you want the other person to add in the bill. What you can also do is split it by the percentage amount. This way you can add in the total percentage each and every person owes you. So once you finalize that, you can just tap on split bill. This way a payment request will be made to other people that you just added into this list. This way those people can just accept those requests and that exact payment amount will be received on your Revolut account. So that's the way that you split bills using Revolut. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this. That's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.